Welcome, today I am with XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro and I'll show you how to use Camera Pro Mode. So let's open the camera, let's move to the Pro Mode. And as you can see in this place, we can find few values that we can adjust manually and also automatically. So the first we are going to focus on this part. So at the first we got the white balance. And besides these presets that we have right here, as you can see, the color and temperature has changed. We can also set the white balance manually by using this slider, by tapping right here. And we can make it between 2000 and 8000 Kelvin range. So with this slider you can adjust the white balance. And also we can set it up automatically to your own preferences. Another option that we can change, it's a focus. So the same like with the white balance and almost every option here, we can set it automatically or manually, just like that. We have to remember that the greater focus value we select right here on the slider, the farther from the lens the focus will be. So just take a look, we got additional feature that we can use right here and tap on the focus peaking. And right now we'll be able to check where this focus is, so take a look right now. I hope that you can see this red highlight on the objects in front of me, and it shows us where our phone catch focus. So when I take photo like that, this item will be in the focus and this one will be, you know, like blurred or something like that, will be out of focus. So take a look. Or maybe it's not the best example, let's try to make it one more time. Okay, I think that right now it will look better. So as you can see, we catch focus right here on this item and this logo is out of focus, but also we can change it. We can change it right here on the focus slider. Take a look, right now our logo is in the focus and everything outside is out of focus. So let's take photo and there it is. Okay, we are going to check another option. It's a shutter speed. So we can put it automatically by tapping here and also change it manually on the slider. So when you select this slider and you want to set it up manually, we have to remember that the longer the shutter is open, like for example for 1 second or 2 seconds, and the more light is just coming to our lenses. So our image will be more brighter. And of course we have to wait the time until the photo will be taken. So we can, for example, set 1 second, click on the shutter, wait, the photo was taken, but of course it's out of, I mean, it's too much light right here. So we can stay here on the 1 second, but we can change, you know, the ISO or the white balance. But I think it's not the best example because it's still too bright. I think that we can try to compensate with exposure compensation, but I will show you after ISO. So that's how the shutter works. ISO, it's another option. So it's just determine that, I mean, we can set it up automatically, but also we can change it manually. I know I'm talking about that in a very option right here, but I want you to know that. So It's very similar to the shutter speed, because when we increase the ISO, our camera is more sensitive to light. And also this feature brings more digital noises. So honestly, I will always stay with the automatic ISO, and I will try to change the brightness by using exposure compensation or the shutter speed. And right now we are going to move for exposure compensation. So it's very obvious that this option compensates exposure when you want our image to be brighter or darker. And in this place we can simply change our lenses. And also, if you want to know that your photo is in the good exposure, you have to tap here and then pick exposure verification, and you will be switched from the focus picking to the exposure verification, and take a look. For example, we are going to change the ISO. Okay, it's not this one, so maybe we can try on the exposure compensation. Yeah, so right now take a look. When you get this highlight, you see this blue highlights arena, so it means that this arena is out of exposure. So you have to compensate with the slider until you will get rid of this blue arena, and try to avoid also the red arena, because the red arena show us a place when it's overexposure. So the best solution is to get very low red and blue lines on the photo. Also, the lighting condition is essential, because take a look, when I'm gonna move my light source, this red arena has changed. So when you use the Pro Mode, there's a lot of things that you have to think about. It's not that easy, but of course you can take better photo when you know all of that stuff. So in most cases, I just recommend you to take the automatic photos from the photo mode. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.